Hello everyone, my name is Weltha, and today we're gonna make some fried chicken wings. So come on, come cook with me. Okay, so I have my chicken wings, and the chicken wings have been washed really good. And now we're gonna season the chicken wings. I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic salt on them. Let's put some onion powder. And then we're gonna get a little bit of seasoned salt, just a tinge though. And we need some black pepper. Okay, so we have the spices on the chicken wings. Okay, and then you're gonna get your flour mix ready right here. And I already put the seasoning inside of the flour mix, so I put the same seasoning that I just used for the to season the chicken. So then you get each chicken wing and you dip it inside of the flour. Okay, so this is all the chicken wings, and I have them all battered up. So now we're gonna move over to the skillet that's been heating for a little while, and it's hot and it's ready for the chicken wing. So let's go to the skillet now. Okay, so we're at the skillet, so let's put the chicken wings in. That's one. Okay. All the chicken wings that looks good, but you can't overcrowd it. I think it can handle one more. So one more. So that's about 6 wings in there. So we're gonna let it cook. Just let it cook for a few minutes. Here, let's put the top over it. Let it cook until it gets brown. Okay, so we're gonna check on the chicken wings now. Okay, let's check. Okay, so it's been about 12 minutes. So let's flip over the wings. It's been about 12 minutes for them to cook. Okay, so let's flip them over. They're nice and golden. They're ready to be flipped over. So flip each chicken wing over, okay? One more. Okay. Now, you're gonna leave the top off. Don't put the top back on, okay? So just let them cook for like maybe, let's see, 8 minutes. Okay? Because the grease is hotter now, so it's gonna cook faster. Alright. Okay, so it's been about 8 minutes. And as you can see, both sides are a nice brown color. So it's time to take them out. They're ready. So let's take them out, okay? When you see the nice color like that, both sides, it's time to take out. So let's take them out. And strain the oil off. And dump some over here. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is get some ranch dressing, but you're gonna use the ranch dressing that's in the pack. So you sprinkle the ranch dressing powder over the chicken wings. You sprinkle it all over it. And then you're gonna put the lid back on it. And when you put the lid on it, you're gonna shake it up. Okay, so now you're gonna shake it. Just shaking it. Then you're gonna open it. Flip them over one time. Flip them over. And then you put the lid back on it. Okay. When you're done shaking this side, we're done. And now you have your ranch chicken wings. Okay, so now we're done. You have your ranch fried chicken wings, and you can eat them with some ranch dressing if you would like, or you can have some carrots with them also, and enjoy ranch fried chicken wings. That's the way I do it. I hope you enjoyed them. Okay, closer look at the chicken wings. Ranch fried chicken wings. And you can have them with the carrots and your ranch dressing. Okay, enjoy, people. There you have it. Enjoy.